The best niche for YouTube 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to find the best niche for YouTube 2023. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I will first ask you to suspend your mindsets. So if you have any pre-existing mindsets like boredom, like failure, suspend all of that. And if you think you know what to do, suspend all of that, because learning comes when you learn from scratch. So in here I have a diagram. So what you need to do is to just follow this diagram in order to find the best niche for you. So in here, ask yourself, what is your passion? What is your passion? Just ask that. Ask yourself, what is your passion? What makes you alive? So make sure to know your passion. Like for example, a sample of passion is actually sports. You're passionate for sports. You're passionate for singing. So just list that down. So for example, you're passionate for singing. So let's put that in here. So you want to sing, put that on your passion. So ask yourself that. The next thing is to proficiency. So proficiency is something that you can do without any effort or little to no effort at all. So in here, you will need to ask yourself, what are you good at? So if you're passionate to singing, are you good at singing? Ask yourself that. So if you're good at singing, then you're good to go on this proficiency right here. So there's no people that's not good on anything. You just need to find what's your inner talent. So just ask yourself this. The next thing you need to do is to head over to profit. So ask yourself, is your passion and proficiency profitable? So ask yourself that, utilize techniques in order to make those two profitable, and it should be good to go. Now, once you have found the balance on this tree right here, then you're good to go on your niche. However, make sure to eliminate failure mindset and your hobby. Just spend cute little time on that, and make sure to eliminate boredom right here in order to find the right balance for you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find the best niche for YouTube 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.